Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back you all in our mathematics class. As you all know that we are on the chapter number 10, properties of triangle. And I have already discussed with you the exercise number 10.1 in the last classes. Today I am going to discuss with you the exercise number 10.2. So open the exercise number 10.2 in your books. And first question, check whether it is possible to draw the triangle whose sides are given to you as follows. Right, in A part you are having a 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. The question wants that with the help of these side we can form the triangle, draw the triangle or not. We can solve it. 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter is always greater than 8 centimeter. 6 plus 8 is also greater than 3 centimeter. 3 plus 8 is also greater than 6 centimeter. So clearly the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, so that we can draw the triangle. So in this case also the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and the 4 centimeter are the sides of a triangle. Come to the B part. In B part, 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 5 centimeters are given to you. 15 plus 5 is greater than 10. 10 plus 15 is also greater than 5, and 10 plus 5 is equivalent to the 15. So it is not possible to draw a triangle with these sides, as the sum of two sides is equal to the third side. Come to the E part. In E part, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and the 15 centimeter is given to you. 7 centimeter plus 8 centimeter is equal to the 15 centimeter. 7 centimeter plus 15 centimeter is greater than 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter plus 15 centimeter is greater than 7 centimeter. So it is not possible to draw a triangle with these sides, as the sum of two sides is equal to the third side. Now come to the next question, that is the question number 2. In question number 2, find the value of the unknown angles in the given figure. The figure is given to you. You have to find out the value of the unknown. Right? So here the y plus 125, they are forming the linear pair. They are forming on the straight line. These angles are forming on the straight line. So they are forming the linear pair. So y plus 125 degree is equivalent to the 180 degree linear pair. Y equivalent to the 180 minus 125. Y is equivalent to the 55 degree. Now, in a triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equivalent to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle x plus 62 degree plus y is equivalent to the 180 degree. X plus 62 plus 55 degree is equivalent to the 180 degree. X is plus 117 degree is equivalent to the 180 degree. X is equivalent to the 180 minus 117 degree is equivalent to the 63 degree. So x is equivalent to the 63 degree and the y is equivalent to the 55 degree. Clear? Now come to the B part. In B part, you also have to find out the unknown angles, right? In the same way, x plus 45 degree is equivalent to the 72 degree. The exterior angle property of a triangle. The exterior angle of a triangle is equivalent to the sum of the opposite two interior angle. So x plus 45 degree is equivalent to the 72 degree. So x is equivalent to the 72 degree minus 45 degree. X is equivalent to the 27 degree. Now y and 72 degree are forming on the linear pair. They are on the straight line angles, right? So y plus 72 degree is equivalent to the 180 degree. They are forming the linear pairs. Y is equivalent to the 180 minus 72 degree. So y is equivalent to the 108 degree, right? Now come to the C part. 118 plus y is equivalent to 180. They are forming the linear pair. So y is equivalent to the 180 minus 118 equivalent to the 62 degree. And 65 degree plus x is equivalent to 118 degree. Exterior angle property of a triangle. X is equivalent to the 180 degree minus 65 degree is equivalent to 53 degree. In the given figure, you also have to find out the unknown angles. So 85 degree is equivalent to the 32 degree plus x. They are forming the exterior angle property of a triangle. So 85 degree minus 32 degree is equivalent to the x. So when you subtract the 32 from 85, you will get 53. So x is equivalent to the 53 degree. And one more thing is given to you in the question, that AB is parallel to the ED. AB is parallel to ED, so it means the 85 plus Z equivalent to the 180 degree. They are forming the co-interior angle, and the sum of the co-interior angle is sum of two angles forming the co-interior angle, and the sum is equivalent to the 180 degree. So Z is equivalent to the 180 degree minus the 85 degree. So Z is equivalent to the 95 degree. So X is equivalent to the Y is equivalent to the 53 degree. They are also forming the corresponding angles. Now come to the E part. In E part also you have to find out the value of the unknown angles, right? So 115 plus X plus 132 is equivalent to the 360. Why? Because the sum of all the exterior angles of the triangle is equivalent to the 360 degree. So 247 plus X is equivalent to the 360 degree. X is equivalent to the 360 degree minus the 247 degree. So X is equivalent to the 113 degree. Clear? Now come to the F part. In F part, you same way you have to find out the value of the unknown angles. So X is equivalent to the 55 degree. They are forming the vertically opposite angles. Z plus 112 is equivalent to the 180 degree. They are forming the linear pair. Z is equivalent to the 180 degree minus 112 degree. Z is equivalent to the 68 degree. So X plus Y plus Z is equivalent to the 180 degree and the angle sum property of a triangle. 55 degree plus Y plus 68 degree is equivalent to the 180 degree. 55 degree plus 68 degree plus Y is equivalent to the 180 degree. 123 plus Y is equivalent to the 180 degree. Y is equivalent to the 180 degree minus the 123 degree. Y is equivalent to the 57 degree. Right? Is that clear to you? Now in a question number 3, the length of two sides of a triangle are 7 centimeter and the 9 centimeter. The length of two sides of a triangle are given to you, 7 centimeter and the 9 centimeter. What can be the length of the third side? The question wants that what can be the length of the third side? The sum of the two given side is given is 7 centimeter plus 9 centimeter, that is equivalent to 16 centimeter. Sum of two side is always greater than the third side. This is a law, and the 16 centimeter is greater than third side, or a third side can be less than 16 centimeter. Also we know that the difference of the length of any two side is less than the length of the third side, right? So 9 centimeter minus the 7 centimeter is equivalent to the 2 centimeter, or 2 centimeter is less than the third side. 2 centimeter is less than the third side, and the third side is less than the 16 centimeter. Therefore the length of the third side should be greater than the 2 centimeter but less than the 16 centimeter. Now come to the question number 4. One side of a triangle is produced making an exterior angle of measure 126 degree, right? If the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:5, find the measure of the each angle of a triangle and what kind of triangle it is, right? आपके पास एक exterior angle given है, that is a 126 degree, and the opposite two interior angles are given to you, that is in a ratio 2:5. You have to find out the measure of the each angle of the triangle and what kind of triangle it is. ये अभी भी आपने बताना है, and the figure is not given to you. You can draw the figure by yourself. Exterior angle is given to you, that is a 126 degree, and then let the interior opposite angles be a 2x and 5x because the ratio is given to you. So for that ratio you can assume x, common ratio. So angle A plus angle B is equivalent to the angle ACD. I have drawn the figure. You can draw it yourself also. Label it yourself also according to you. So angle A plus angle B is equivalent to the angle ACD. So 2x plus 5x is equivalent to the 126 degree, that is the exterior angle property of a triangle. So when you add the 2x plus 5x, you will get the 7x. 7x is equivalent to the 126 degree. X is equivalent to the 126 degree divided by 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 18 is 126 degree. So the angle A is equivalent to the 2x is equivalent to the 2 multiplied by 18 is equivalent to the 36 degree. Angle B is equivalent to the 5x equivalent to the 5 multiplied by 18 equal to 90 degree. So the angle ACB plus angle ACD is equivalent to the 180 degree. They are forming the linear pair. They are on the straight line. These angles are on the straight line. So angle ACB plus 126 degree is equivalent to 180 degree. Angle ACB is equivalent to the 180 minus 126 degree, that is equivalent to 54 degree. The measure of each angle of a triangle are 36 degree, 90 degree and the 54 degree, and it is the right angle triangle because the one angle is of 90 degree. Now in question number 5, The exterior angle of a triangle measure the 110 degree and the interior opposite angles are equal. Exterior angle is given to you, that is a 110 degree, and the interior opposite angles are equal to each other. You have to find out the measure of the each angle of the triangle, right? The exterior angle is equal to the 110 degree, it is given to you, and let the interior opposite angles be a x each. The measure is not given, so you can assume x each, right? It is shown in the figure also. The figure is not given to you in the exam, you can draw it yourself. So angle A plus angle B is equal into the angle ACD, exterior angle property of a triangle. So x plus x is equal into the 110 degree. When you add x and x, you will get 2x. 2x is equal into the 110 degree. X is equal into the 110 divided by 2 is equal into the 55 degree, because the 2 ones are 2, 55 is 110. So x is equal into the 55 degree, and angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal into the 180 degree. They are forming the linear pair. These angles are on the straight line. So angle ACB plus 110 is equal into the 180 degree. Angle ACB is equal into the 180 degree minus the 110 degree. Angle ACB is equal into the 70 degree. The measure of each angle of a triangle are 55 degree, 55 degree and the 70 degree. Clear? Now come to the question number 6. In question number 6, in the given figure, find the value of x and y. The figure is given to you and you have to find out the value of x and y. Y plus 52 degree is equal to the 98 degree. They are forming the exterior angle property of a triangle. So y is equal into the 98 degree minus the 52 degree. Y is equal into the 46 degree. So x plus 32 degree is equal into the y. They are also forming the exterior angle property of a triangle. So x plus 32 is equal into the 46 degree. X is equal into the 46 degree minus the 32 degree. X is equal into the 14 degree. X is equal into the 14 degree and y is equal into the 46 degree. Now come to the next question. In the given figure, find the value of x and all the angles of a triangle. Right? In this given figure, you have to find out the value of the x and all the angles of the given triangle. X plus 5x is equal into the 102 degree. They are forming the exterior angle property of a triangle. When you add x plus 5x, you will get 6x. 6x is equal into the 102 degree. X is equal into the 102 degree divided by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 17 is 102. X is equal into the 17 degree. 5x is equal into the 5 multiplied by 17 degree equal into the 85 degree. So y plus 102 degree equal into the 180 degree, they are forming the linear pairs. Y is equal into the 180 degree minus the 102 degree. Y is equal into the 78 degree. All the angles of a triangle are 17 degree, 85 degree and the 78 degree. Now come to the question number 8. In question number 8, in the given figure, find the measure of angle CAB. The figure is given to you and you have to find out the measure of the angle CAB. So 2x plus 5 degree plus 85 degree equal into the 118 degree. They are forming the exterior angle property of a triangle. So 2x plus 5 degree plus 85 degree is equal into the 118 degree. 2x plus 5 plus 85, that is equal to 90. So 2x plus 90 degree is equal into the 118 degree. 2x is equal into the 118 degree minus the 19 degree. 2x is equal into the 28 degree. X is equal into the 28 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 14s are 28. So x is equal into the 14 degree. So angle CAB is equal into the 2x plus 5. So 2 multiplied by 14 plus 5 degree. 2 multiplied by 14 is equal into the 28. 28 plus 5 degree, that is equal into the 33 degree. Clear? So students, your exercise 10.2 is completed, and if you have any query you can consult to me. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.